Today it's a quick and easy video about a quick and easy repair. Headlight bulb. They blow out after a while. Eventually everybody's going to have LEDs and it's not going to be a big deal anymore, but for older cars you got to do it. And if you're going to do one, you might as well replace both, because if this guy's going, the other side's probably going to go soon after. And you get a little bit of a savings by buying two instead of one. I'll post down below where you can get this bulb. This is a Honda Odyssey. This is a fairly standard bulb, and the installation for pretty much all cars is pretty similar to this one. So let me give you a top-down shot and we'll figure this out. This is the passenger side. You're going to have to pull this power steering fluid thing up to gain access. And you're going to go through here to get to the bulb, which is right there. So let's set the camera up and we'll get to this. I'm wearing gloves just because I don't want to damage the bulb. And so you just pull this thing down, the lock. You have to just press it down like that. It comes right off. See? Hello. Okay, counterclockwise. Comes out and you see the yellow bulb. Headlight bulb has this little gray area on it. You do the same thing to replace the high beam, but it doesn't have this little gray area on it. That's how you can tell. Also, the rings are different colors. This one's yellow for the headlight. So here you can see the new bulb. You don't want to touch the bulb itself if you can avoid it. So you bring the bulb down in through here again, and make sure to get a hold on it. And then you're just going to line that up, put it in here, and do a clockwise turn until it's down, pointing towards the ground, and then you just connect this guy back up. Before you put this guy back, go check the bulb and see if it works. Bulb replacement done. Now I have to worry about some of this stuff next time, and the light will go out after a period of time as a safety measure. So now that your bulb's in place, you just make sure you put this back in place like that. Make sure it's down, everything's locked in, all good. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in car repairs, home repairs, making and breaking stuff, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props, check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what you're gonna see.